In the decorative concrete surfacing industry, one of the fastest growing fields in the world today, one company stands head and shoulders above the rest. Who are we? We're Superstone, the one-stop center that enjoys the worldwide reputation as manufacturer of the highest quality color hardeners, liquid and powder release agents, solvent and water-based sealants, chemical stains, polymer overlays, everything you need for installation of the most beautiful, natural appearing, and durable decorative concrete surfaces possible. Additionally, we have over 100 different patterns of stamping tools and templates in stock for immediate shipment. Why is Superstone the premier company in the decorative concrete surfacing industry today? Quality comes from total commitment to product superiority, excellence, a cut above the rest. And service? Service is filling orders at the exact time that they're promised. Service is providing technical assistance in solving problems that arise in the field. Jack Denham, our certified chemical engineer, heads our research and development program and is constantly searching not only for new and innovative products, but also for ways of making our already state-of-the-art product line even closer to perfection. For field problem solving, he's just a phone call away. Service is also providing our customers with detailed step-by-step instructions of not only basic installation techniques, but all the newest developments and innovations designed to make beautiful, natural installations that eliminate callbacks and develop an ever-increasing supply of profitable referrals. Let's add another item to quality and service: dependability. Dependability means being there for our customers day after day, year after year, providing reliability with the experience that over 4 decades of continuous service can provide. Let's visit a recent Superstone seminar and follow the step-by-step demonstration of the proper way to install a beautiful stamped concrete surface. Here we see the placement of the first of 2 concrete slabs on which we'll be working today. The forms are in place, and we're going to pour a 4-inch slump. You'll note that all the normal concrete placement procedures apply. Screeding, troweling, no different than any other placement, including edging the slab and troweling out surface ridges and other marks. Now we're into the first step of the actual stamping process, broadcasting the color hardener onto the fresh concrete surface. This provides the base color for the pattern, adds density to the concrete surface, and produces outstanding surface strength and wear resistance. Under normal circumstances, a pail of color hardener covers approximately 100 to 120 square feet. Lighter colors may require additional material. The application of color hardener is actually a 2-step procedure. 60 to 65% of the Superstone color hardener you're using should be broadcast in the first application. When the surface is properly covered, a bull float is used to float this first application of color hardener into the concrete. The second application is now applied, making sure that all thinly coated areas receive ample material so that the surface is uniform in color. This application of color hardener is also floated into the surface, this time using a Fresno. To achieve optimum uniformity, float the second coat in a direction perpendicular to the first whenever possible. In this particular demonstration, we've elected to install a 12-inch border around the slab. When a different color band is desired, extra care should be taken to ensure that no contamination of colors take place. To prevent this, we're using a shield while broadcasting the second color. After each application of the color hardener, scrape off any excess material that has fallen onto the forms and use an edging tool to ensure a clean, crisp edge on the slab. Now we're ready to broadcast the release agent. Superstone Release Agent is a clear or pigmented water-repellent powder that forms a lubricant barrier between the fresh concrete and the stamping tools. A darker color release applied to a lighter color hardener, as we're doing here, creates a more pronounced two-tone effect and deeper textured appearance. A 30-pound pail of Superstone release agent will cover approximately 1,000 square feet and is available in 13 premixed colors, plus clear. For special projects, custom colors are available. Since we're using a border here, we need to shield it while we broadcast the release powder onto the field, and vice versa, of course. Any contamination that does occur may be touched up at this time. Now that the release agent has been uniformly applied, we're ready to start stamping. To stamp the concrete properly, you should have enough tools to span the entire width of the slab, plus one more to start the next row. At this point, make sure that you're starting off on a straight edge that is perfectly true, and be sure that you're aware of the proper directional placement of the tools. If you're uncertain, consult Superstone before the job begins. The stamping tools are color-coded to produce a more realistic texture and appearance when properly placed. For best results, refrain from placing two identically colored tools together. Once the tools have been properly placed on the concrete, don't attempt to move them until they've been stamped.